Hi, I'm Anti-Corrosion. If you're watching this video, chances are you've just been searching for a lock door handle. Great news, it's exactly what we're going to look at in this video. So I'm on the first floor of this property, and next to me is effectively a full-size door, or as some would refer this really as a large window, because it only leads out onto a slim balcony. You would never use this as a door that you would leave the property or return to the property. And so this makes this absolutely ideal for a product like Lock. Lock is a high security handle with a locking switch on the inside. There is nothing on the external side of the door to manipulate. And to unlock the door, we simply switch, pull the handle down, and the door's open. And locking the door again, lift the handle, put the switch down, and that's locked. And in this video, we're now going to show you how to fit it. And from the outside, we can see completely curved and no cylinder. Nothing there for a burglar to attack. The curved design, though easy on the eye, is a security feature in itself, and it's so that a burglar or prospective burglar couldn't grip the handle with mold grips and be able to force the handle off. And it also has a 20-year anti-corrosion guarantee. So your handle, whether it be white, chrome, gold, brushed steel or black, will stay looking great, I would say, for the lifetime of the handle. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you are interested in purchasing Lock and fitting it yourself, it is available from helplocks.com. We'll put a link in the description to take you straight to the page where you can choose from all the various different colours and styles and sizes. So there are 5 colours that's available in, and there is also a version of Lock that sits over a Euro cylinder, so combine it with a high security lock and you can use this as a secondary lock to doubly secure your door. But the one that we've concentrated on in this video has been the keyless one, because where you have doors that you don't use from the outside, that's really where it comes into its own. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.